Ready?
I already got it.
Look at our popsicle guy. Hey! I want that! That was mine!
Matthew, shut up.
You're not even supposed to be in a video. I think she gave up. I think she liked the green one better. Yoshi!
Yoshi!
I think she liked the green one better. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
Maybe we chase her for it. Hey, Maggie! Get back!
You guys better get her.
Maggie, no. Holy crap.
What? You bleeding?
Bad.
Really?
No. Was that funny, Nikki?
Huh? Yeah. You know I'm still recording you guys, right?
I don't care. She's just tangling herself up. Who wants to sticky? Oh yeah. I think there's a little dookie in there. Why? Look. There's a little one. Sit. There's a little one.
Why are you messing with crap?
Sit. Sit down. Maggie.